Looking at problem number 8. Here we're given two reflection images, 3, negative 2, and 8, negative 8, negative 2. If I go ahead and create a graph and plot these points, you can see that they are vertically at the same height on the graph, and that basically what we're looking for is if we're trying to find the equation of the line of symmetry, we know that the line of symmetry given any parabola, if I were to take any parabola, let's say, and I wanted the line of symmetry, I would find its vertex and I would draw a vertical line which would cut that parabola into two equal shapes, or two congruent shapes. Now, I know that for any point and its reflection, that they are going to be equal distances from that line of symmetry. So, and what it also would cause a 90-degree angle to occur in terms of that, in terms of the lines. So, if I can find this, basically what I do is I make this into a line segment. So I'm going to go from this point to this point. Right? And now I got to figure out that total distance. So if I'm going from negative 8 to 3, looks like that's a total distance. Looks like that's a total distance of 11. So if I cut that in half, so if I could divide that by 2, I wind up getting 5.5. Alright, so if I go 5.5 units this way, or if I go 5.5 units this way, I should wind up getting the middle. So let's see, if I go negative 8, if I go negative 8.0 plus 5.5, let's see, that's going to be 0.5. Let's see, and that's going to be 2.5, I believe, negative 2.5. And if I were to go from 3 and minus 5.5, that's also going to give me a negative 2.5. So I'm going to be at negative 2.5, so my middle point is going to be about right here. That's going to be the midpoint, and that's going to be where I put my line of symmetry. Right, so this is crossing at 2.5. So x, the line of symmetry would be x is equal to negative 2.5. That would be my answer given that problem. Notice I didn't even have to draw a parabola. All I need to know is that because that vertex could be anywhere along that line of symmetry. All I needed to do was identify where the line of symmetry would occur. And that's number 8. Number 12. Number 12, here they're giving you a vertex. They're giving you the vertex. Let's do number 12 real quickly. Here they give you the vertex of being 2, 3. And one of the points being negative 1, 6. Alright? So again, if I do a really quick sketch on this, so this is my x, that's my y. So if I'm at 2, 3, and now I'm at negative 1, 6, right? So this is my vertex right here. That's my vertex. Means I've got a line of symmetry right here. And so I know my reflection point is giving equal distance away. Well, right here, vertex is at 2, point's at -1. The total distance from here to here, from 2 to -1, is 3 units. So I'm going to go 3 units this direction. So if my vertex is 2, if I add my x-coordinate is 2, if I add 3 to that, that means my new x-coordinate of the reflection point is going to be 5. And my height is going to be the same. It's going to be 6. So my reflection point is 5, 6. That'd be 12.